And nestled between groves of oak and madrone trees, this house brilliantly conquers a challenging slope in a nature preserve. On one end, the eastern corner of the house settles into the hillside. Conversely, the west end boldly cantilevers over the sloping terrain. The unique shape of the roof is derived from both context and performance. It presents itself as a discreet shed roof inspired by local rural designs. Situated on a sloping site in the Santa Lucia Preserve, an ecological preserve in the Carmel Valley Hills, the winged retreat is both responsive and respectful towards its environment in a community that emphasizes the preservation of natural and scenic resources and living in harmony with nature. The house is positioned with the long facades of its two wings oriented to the north and south, a sustainable design strategy for passive control of the interior environment. Inside, the roof transforms. It not only harnesses natural light, but also enhances the quality and expanse of the interior spaces. Clear-story windows above are shaded by deep eaves, allowing the low rays of the warming winter sun to enter and diffusing natural light year-round. The massing and siding of the house are solutions to the challenge of minimizing the visibility of the structure from roads and neighboring homes while taking advantage of the expansive views from the site. Between the two wings, a trellised outdoor dining terrace is protected from the wind for year-round use. The large expanses of windows on the north side of the house offer views of the valley and allow cooling breezes to flow in. The layout of the house was carefully planned to eliminate the need to remove any existing trees. Wooden decks project from the ends of the house on the western side, taking advantage of the shelter provided by the eaves. The west facades are predominantly glass to frame the dynamic hillside views, while extremely deep, cantilevered eaves block solar gain from the summer sun. The master bedroom integrates operable exterior louvers that provide late-afternoon solar shading, graduated privacy, and complete blackout at night for sleeping. The roof pitches towards clear-story windows on the south facade, framing views of the uphill trees and capturing and distributing sunlight throughout the house, reducing the demand for artificial lighting. Responding directly to the topography, the volumes that make up the house follow the grade as it descends from southeast to northwest. Monolithic walls of board-formed concrete and integrally colored plaster anchor the home to the site, while glass and natural materials such as cedar siding, walnut flooring, and ipe decks provide a sense of lightness, serenity, and connection to the landscape. The walls are predominantly solid along the south facades to prevent the hot summer sun from penetrating directly into the building.